this is you would write down 4 of these sets of parentheses. And then you would just take 2 at a time and start to distribute them. So go 3a times 3a, 3a times negative 2b, negative 2b times 3a, and then negative 2b times negative 2b. Then we would combine our like terms. All right, and that creates a trinomial. Well, the next 2 are going to be the same trinomial, luckily. And now we're going to, so we go the front to the front. Okay, the front to the middle. And the front to the end. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do the middle times everything. So this middle one times this one. And the middle one times the middle one, so that's positive 144 a squared b squared. And then this middle times the end, so that's 48 ab cubed. Alright, so now we're going to distribute here 36 a squared b squared, negative 48 ab cubed, and 16 b to the 4th. Now let's add all those up. Alright, so 36 and 36 is 72. So if I add 72 to that, that's 6, that's 216. And add those up, that's negative 96. And then this. So you're used to this. It just takes a long time, and it just makes sure you don't make any mistakes. Now there is a way that we could do this Gauss triangle. And so 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4. Remember, we're adding these in between. And because the power is 4, we're going to use the one that starts with a 4, not the ones, because those are all the same. So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now we're going to take the first term, we're going to write it down, all up and down here. And we're going to raise it to the 4th power, and then the 3rd, and then the 2nd, and then the 1st, and then 0. And we're going to take the second term, let me just get them all in parentheses first. And we increase the powers. Now anything to the 0 power is just technically the number 1, so we don't care about that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to reduce. So that's like 1 times 3 to the 4th times a to the 4th, which will give us 81 a to the 4th. And then you can see that we're going to eliminate those. And then it's 4, 3 to the 3rd, a to the 3rd, negative 2 to the 1st, and b to the 1st. So 3 to the 3rd is 27. 27 times 4, so 27 times 2 is 54, that's 108, times negative 2, it's going to be negative 216. Now let's look at the variables. We have a cubed and we have b. And right away you notice that that's going to eliminate this, which means we have the answer, but let's just finish it out. Okay, that would be 6 times 3 squared times a squared times negative 2 squared times b squared. So that would give us 9. 9 times 6 is 54 times 4. 50. Well, let's do this. 54 times 2 is 108, so that'd be 216. A squared, b squared. Okay, that's 4 times 3 times a times negative 8, because we do negative 2 to the 3rd. So then 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times negative 8 is negative 96, and we're left with a and b cubed. And then here we have 1 times negative 2 to the 4th is positive 16, b to the 4th. So it's up to you how you want to do that. If we do this one the long way, alright, so we distribute, 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 and distribute. We're going to ignore that for now. Okay, now we're going to bring that down and distribute again. We're going to distribute the middle and the end. And the n1, and then y squared times negative y. So that gives us 8x is 6, so it looks like these are like terms here. And these are like terms. And then the n number. So sometimes when it's a power of 3, I don't do Pascal's triangle because it is not too bad to do 3 of them. Now the next video we'll talk about how to do Pascal's triangle for this.